Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Jonathan Nicosia here at the RV shop in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I am our Renegade specialist. So today we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Renegade Classic 45 CMR. This is the bath and a half floor plan with an overhead bunk. So let's take a look. So this Classic is going to be on the Freightliner Cascadia P4 126. This is going to have a 600 Detroit DD16 motor, a 600 horsepower and 1,850 foot-pounds of torque. So it really is a powerhouse that can tow 30 to 40,000 pounds depending on which hitch you have on the back. We optioned in on this chassis the hood mounted mirrors to help with blind spots. You have all LED lighting on front and back. Side view cameras for your blinkers, so when you turn your blinkers on you will be able to see your blind spots on both sides of the coach. There is a diamond shield protectant on the entire front of the coach to help with rock chips. With the blackout package comes the 22.5-inch Alcoa factory blacked out wheels on your Michelin tires. What you're seeing here is part of your blind spot package with the Detroit Safety Assurance. So this is actually going to help your blind spots on both sides of the coach. This actually will account for your trailer as well. So if somebody's beside your trailer that you're towing or your tow vehicle, inside will let you know that there's somebody beside it. So it is a really nice feature to help with safety. Blacked out handles and the blacked out entry steps. Very nice feature. All frameless windows throughout. They're all insulated. As we move farther down, you have a full-length awning by Girard. It is a wind sensor awning, armless. And here we have our Samsung Smart TV. This will pull out and swivel, along with the JBL soundbar, which is Bluetooth compatible to act as your outdoor radio. We'll go to our first bay. So this is the option in the 600D Aqua Hot. This is going to be your sole source for your furnace and your hot water heater on demand throughout the coach. This is a diesel burner as well as electric. There is no propane on this coach whatsoever. And going to our second bay, we have the Truma, the optional Truma refrigerator freezer on a slide out tray. This is a very nice feature that gives you the option for some outdoor beverages. You can make both sides a fridge, or both sides a freezer, or one freezer and one fridge. A lot of our customers like to have this option available. It is removable if you want that for extra storage. And new for 2024, they've made these two front bays connecting so that you can put longer things in there if you decide to opt out of the Truma refrigerator freezer. What we have here is a step cover for the entry steps that you can place over when you're traveling to keep kids and dogs from falling down into those steps. All of these bays are insulated. All of the handles are automatically locking. So you can control your entry door and your baggage doors from a remote, and also your keyless entry right here. One thing I want to point out in the middle is this midship turn signal. This is an option that we added. This is not a standard feature, just to help with added safety for the coach at nighttime. And this being a tandem axle coach, I want to talk about for a second, this is not a tag axle. So with a tag axle, you just have one steerable tag for this axle. This is a true tandem axle coach. So this is a twin screw. You can actually interlock these axles so where they're both drive axles. So in snowy or muddy conditions, to help you get out of that situation. So this is a really nice feature on the tandem axle coach with the Classic. Moving farther back, we have our 3/4 pass-through bay. This is going to be the deepest bay that you can get in a Renegade, so if you want to fit any tables, you can do so. You have an air hose here that connects with the chuck on the driver's side in the battery bay that will allow you to fill up all of your tires to around 110 psi. We have the optional Gen Y hitch here, your slide locks, and some extra porcelain tiles in case you have to replace any on the interior. And our last storage bay is going to house our central vacuum along with the 110 outlet to plug anything in. On the back of the Classic, one thing I want to point out is that when you move to the Classic model, there's no fiberglass rear cap. So that means the entire interior of the motorhome goes all the way back to this wall. So you're not losing that 4 or 5 inches that you would get such as in the XL model. We have option for the deluxe light layout on the back. So that gives you your 3 brake lights, your reverse lights, and then your 2 brake lights going all the way up. So if you have a taller trailer and you want to be able to see your brake lights over that, this deluxe light layout gives you that option. Here on your hitch, you have your 7-way plug, your Voyager camera. If you're trailer has a camera on the back of that. It's already pre-wired. And then you have your glad hands here for a trailer that has air brakes. So on the driver's side, we're starting at the rear. You have your power cord reel. So there's a manual pull out and an automatic retract reel. You have your power transfer switch and your surge guard. And then we do have a 50 amp plug in the back, to where if you want to plug in your stacker trailer, you can do so. It's going to be your generator exhaust. And then we have your 12.5 diesel generator. That'll power more than enough to power all of your ACs and everything inside of the coach. Here we have our wet bay. This is going to house our whole coach water filter. There is a tank level tester out here to be able to see your levels when you dump. Black tank flush, automatic hose reel, sewage hose storage, and your switch for your flow jet macerator pump. And the next bay over is going to be our 75-gallon black tank and your dump station. And this is the macerator pump along with the hose for the macerator. Moving forward, we have our Dragonfly Energy batteries. So these are each 270 amp hours, and we've optioned for all 4 of them. So 4 270 amp hour lithium batteries, along with 2 3,000 watt Victron Energy inverters. So one of these inverters is powered to your center AC to allow you to run your center air conditioning while running down the road, not having to run your generator. So that's a very nice feature to keep the back of the coach cool without using extra fuel. Our last bay coming forward is going to be your chassis starting batteries, along with that air chuck I was talking about to be able to fill up your own tires. And all of these bays are heated and insulated. And here we have our fuel fill. This is 120 gallons of diesel along with our DEF tank. So right next to each other, easy to fill when you're at a truck stop. So let's go inside and check out what the CMR has to offer. So I'm in the cab over bunk on the Classic. This is a 60-inch by 90-inch overhead bunk, and also has the optional insulated roof hatch to be able to access the roof. So this is a fully walkable roof, so you can get up there and either watch the races or maintenance your roof. So plenty of room up here in the overhead bunk. So one of the best features of the bath and a half floor plan on the CMR is the opposing seating. So your opposing sofa here is going to be a jackknife sofa to offer you a small sleeping solution. And then above that is going to be your televator TV right across from the theater seats. And then paired with the TV is a Samsung soundbar. And above that we have our AV cabinets to where you can put a DVD player, Xbox, or satellite box. So here we have the optional theater seating. So these are both power recline chairs with an armrest in the middle. So you can option for a sleeper sofa here. And then here we have the dinette. You can switch these where you can put the couch there, the dinette here, and you can option for 2 sleeper sofas if you'd like, or 2 theater seating if you'd like. So there's a lot of customizable options in this area with the Classic. Above we have plenty of storage, all solid maple cabinetry, heavy duty hardware. And then here in the living room, we have access to our Firefly screen. So there's 2 of these screens located throughout the coach. And from here, you can control everything electronic in the coach, from your lights to your generator to your HVAC system, your slide outs, and your leveling system. And this is also compatible with a mobile app called Vega Touch Mirror that you can control from your phone and put your slides out and in from the outside of the coach, as well as your awnings. All right, moving to our dinette. This is a small sleeping solution, so this table will drop down and act as a small bed. You have 2 110 outlets on both sides with USB and USB-C ports. In the kitchen, we have a Samsung convection microwave along with an induction cooktop. It's a 2-burner that is recessed with covers that allow for more counter space when you're not using your cooktop. This is a solid surface Corian countertop with the lit edges. So we have these lit edges throughout the entire coach. So each bathroom underneath and on the edge of the counters is going to have a light. Have a beautiful hand-laid tile backsplash along with residential hardware on all of your sinks and showers. Stainless steel deep bowl sink, and then plenty of storage throughout the kitchen of the Classic. For the storage, here we have some pull-out drawers. They're all soft close. It's a good spot for pots and pans, Here we have adjustable shelves that you can move up and down to fit your needs. And then in this drawer, there's a multi-level cutlery tray. So if you look down the side, they're all put together by dovetail, not screws or glue. Very solid. Spot for some sponges, more storage, and then more adjustable shelves here. And this is your pantry with multiple pull-out shelves that are all soft close and dovetail as well. Down here is going to be your breaker panels. Above is going to be your Victron Energy Command Center, where you can see your battery and your solar charger. For our refrigerator, we have an 18 cubic foot French style Samsung refrigerator with a freezer drawer with an ice maker. And moving into the half bath, you have a corner medicine cabinet with storage, a corner sink with plenty of storage underneath for linens, and then adjustable shelves here, your toilet paper holder, a matching backsplash, and your toilet is going to be a macerator toilet. It's automatic. It is porcelain, and above that is going to be storage for linens. This half bath is fully accessible while you're traveling down the road. In the hallway, I want to point out the ample amount of storage we have. So these are all adjustable shelves and removable. So if you wanted to remove these shelves up top, there's a hanging bar, and you can use this as an extra wardrobe. And then you have big drawers down below for dryer sheets, Tide Pods, whatever you need to put down here for the washer and dryer. And then you have an access panel here to access your water shutoff for the washer and dryer if you ever needed to get to that. And then a stackable Splendid brand washer and dryer. Moving into the master bedroom, first I want to point out the AC covers. These are decorative covers made by Renegade that'll cover all of the AC returns, which helps them to be a little quieter and just gives it a nice classy look. And as well as the optional fan for the bedroom. You can option one in the living room as well. This one does not have that option. And then a pocket door for privacy in the bedroom. This is the burnished sable wood stain. And we have the padded walls as well throughout the coach. So this gives it a really luxurious feel and helps the coach be a lot quieter going down the road. This is a 60 by 80 inch mini king mattress. So this is an option that we chose that comes with the nightstands on either side, as well as outlets and plugs and little cubbies on each side of the bed. And above, you have plenty of ample storage. It's very deep. And also there is a 110 outlet in this storage for a CPAP machine. So for this wardrobe setup, we chose the 32-inch TV. We deleted this window here to give you a split wardrobe. So both sides are going to be wardrobe that are cedar lined. 4 storage drawers here for your dresser, and then 3 large drawers down below. And then here we have a safe, and then your AV cabinet here. And in the bathroom, we chose the corner vanity setup. So this is my favorite setup in the Classic for the bathroom because it gives you plenty of mirror space, an extra counter in the corner, and then the most space around the toilet. So this is why we chose this option. All of these mirror medicine cabinets will open. There's 3 shelves in each, so plenty of available storage in this bathroom. Nice towel rack here. The toilet is porcelain macerator style. The shower, plenty of space. It's a solid surface Corian shower with the hand-laid towels inlay to match the backsplash in the kitchen and the bathrooms. And we have a skylight above the shower, LED light, and an adjustable shower head. And then the optional teak seat in the shower. Thanks for watching and joining today on our video of the Renegade Classic 45 CMR. Again, I am Jonathan Nicosia. If you want to customize one of these coaches to fit your needs exactly, I'll be happy to help you. So give us a call. Our number is 225-272-8000, and our website is rvshoponline.com. Thanks for watching.